Welcome to the Euro Cuisine kitchen, where delicious food is created with ease. Today I'm going to show you how to make fresh and healthy yogurt using the Euro Cuisine YM80 yogurt maker. Are you ready for a fresh start? Let's make some yogurt. All you need are two simple ingredients. First ingredient, 2 to 3 ounces of plain yogurt at room temperature, or a 5-gram packet of Euro Cuisine yogurt culture, plus 5 1/4 cups of your favorite milk. That's about 42 ounces. You can use any type of milk, whole, skim, or low fat, pasteurized or raw. You can also use almond milk, soy milk, or even goat's milk. Prepare an ice bath in your kitchen sink, no more than a few inches of cold water and ice cubes. Remove the white caps from the 7 glass jars in your Euro Cuisine yogurt maker. We won't need them until the yogurt is cooked. Pour your milk into a saucepan. Heat the milk. Whisk frequently to avoid charring. When the milk starts to bubble or reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready. Place the saucepan into the ice bath and cool it to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about the same temperature one would feel comfortable feeding this milk to a baby. Remove 1 cup of the milk from the saucepan and pour the rest in a pitcher. Stir in the yogurt or yogurt culture with the 1 cup of the warm milk. Today I'm using all-natural plain yogurt as my starter. Now, it might seem strange that you need to buy yogurt to make yogurt, but what we're doing is we're introducing good probiotic bacteria to the milk. These bacteria thrive in heat, and that's exactly what your yogurt maker is going to provide. Now, all you do is you take the mixture, you pour it in with the warm milk in your pitcher, and then simply give it a stir. Pour the final mixture into the 7 glass jars in equal amounts. Place the open jars into the Euro Cuisine YM80 yogurt maker. Remember, we're saving the individual white jar lids for later. Place the clear cover over the maker. Check the handy time reminder printed on the side of the machine. I want to cook this batch for 8 hours, so I'm going to align my indicator on the clear lid with the time I expect it to be finished. This will remind me what time I should turn it off. It's 1 p.m., so I'm going to add 8 hours and align my indicator with the number 9. Plug in your yogurt maker and turn on the machine to begin cooking your batch. It's that easy. 8 hours later, simply turn off the unit, remove the clear lid, and twist the white lids onto each glass jar. Refrigerate the glass jars. The yogurt will stay fresh for at least 10 days. The YM80 has enough glass jars to provide 1 serving every day for a week. My family loves yogurt, so we make a new batch every other night. Now, when the jars have chilled for at least 3 hours, your yogurt is ready to eat. You can enjoy chilled yogurt straight out of the jar, or you can add it to your favorite cereal. I like to stir in seasonal fruits and spices. I think it's a great way to add new flavors throughout the year. My kids love to experiment. Creating yogurts really is a great family activity. The Euro Cuisine instruction book includes even more delicious recipes. We hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more about Euro Cuisine yogurt makers and all of our innovative kitchen products, visit eurocuisine.net.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. And this is the Cuisinart Thermoelectric Yogurt Maker. A lot of people are eating yogurt for not just breakfast, but for snacks and even sometimes for dinner. So simple and easy to make yogurt. I'm going to show you how to do it, but first I'm going to show you all about the machine. This is your lid, and inside there is a container, which is completely removable, which also has an integrated lid. And this is great when your yogurt's done because you don't need to transfer it into something else. You can take this and bring it right to your refrigerator. And what happens with this yogurt maker is it goes through several phases. First, you're going to mix some ingredients together. You're going to put it in the machine, and first it's going to ferment the yogurt. And then when it's done fermenting, what's going to happen is it's going to switch to a cool feature. And then it'll stay on the cool feature until you turn the machine off. I'm going to turn it on by hitting the start button, and what's going to happen is it's on a standard setting for 8, and you can actually ferment for up to 24 hours, and it'll flash until you start the machine. And what'll happen is it'll count down from that 8 hours, and when the 8 hours is up, it'll automatically switch to cool, and when it does that, this will have a C in that display. But how you can adjust the ferment time is either by pressing the minus button, and you see how it went to cool, and then it go 1 all the way up to 24. If you hold your finger on it, it'll advance automatically. And you'll see how that goes to 24. So I'm going to hit stop just so it resets itself, and you just hold your finger on it for about 3 seconds and it'll shut off. I'm going to put it on start. And I'm going to actually put it on 8 hours because that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you how to put the mixture together to make yogurt from scratch. So first what we're going to do is we're going to add the milk. And it's important to thoroughly mix these ingredients together at the very beginning because it'll help give you a much better result at the end. This happens to be plain whole milk yogurt. And this is what's called your starter. And we have about 6 ounces of that. And you really need the starter because that's what's going to help you start the fermentation process. And what you're going to do is use a whisk, and you're just going to break this up really easily and just whisk this very, very thoroughly until it's completely incorporated. The great thing about yogurt is that it's really healthy for you. I like the fact that you get to make it yourself. This yogurt machine is capable of making 50 ounces. Just going to take the lid off. You can do this outside the machine if you prefer. I'm just going to pour this in. You see how smooth and broken up that yogurt was to get it started. And I started to say that this container is 50 ounces, but just so you know that when you're done, you'll have more than 6 8-ounce servings of yogurt. So all we do is put the lid on, like I mentioned, put the top on, and we're going to hit the start button. It's on, like I said, 8 hours. When it's done going through the fermentation process, it will switch to cool. Like I mentioned, the C will be in the display, and then it'll stay on cool until you either turn it off or unplug it. And then all you do is at the end, remove the container and you can enjoy your yogurt right then. Or what you can do is store it in the refrigerator, say for breakfast the next day. It's so easy to make healthy homemade yogurt. While you're at work, your yogurt maker's working for you. When you come home, it's going to have a beautiful, consistent yogurt that's healthy for you and your family.
This is an easy demonstration of how to cook under an hour. When you click on the slow cooker, you're going to see the hour digit first. Okay, just set up your minutes. Let's say you want to cook for 30 minutes, 30, and then keep pushing. You're going to see 3, you're going to see 4. Push it one more time and it will disappear, and all you'll see is 30 minutes. Wait until it beeps and you're all set.
Eating healthier is a whole lot easier with the innovative new Dash Greek Yogurt Maker. With the Dash Greek Yogurt Maker, you can make fresh homemade Greek yogurt without preservatives or additives like corn syrup and sugar. Now you know exactly what's in the yogurt you and your family eat. Everybody loves the delicious taste and healthy benefits of Greek yogurt. The thick, creamy texture, high protein, and healthy probiotics make Greek yogurt one of the best foods for you and your family. You don't need special powders or mixes. You just need milk and a little plain yogurt, and the Dash Greek Yogurt Maker does the rest. It's so easy. We've even included a recipe book and quick start dial to get you started. Finally, you and your family can enjoy all the benefits of making Greek yogurt at home with the Dash Greek Yogurt Maker. Dash. Unprocess your food.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence 2-quart frozen yogurt and ice cream maker. This product is a lot of fun to use. It's really easy to operate. First, you need to put your freezer bowl in the freezer. We recommend overnight at 0 degrees, and you put it right inside. You put your ingredients in here. You add your ice cream dasher, and this is what turns the ice cream as it freezes. You put your lid on, and you'll notice the lid has a little hole in it right here, where as your ice cream's almost finished, you can add in small pieces of fruit or chocolate chips or even a couple of small pieces of nuts, And after you get all your ingredients in, you just turn it on. It's beautifully designed. It has a stainless steel housing. And guess what? In 25 minutes, you're going to have fresh, flavorful ice cream or frozen yogurt right at home.